Let's take a closer look at this folding lock blade knife from CIVIVI. What you get with this kit is the knife has a 3-inch blade. It's 4 inches long when enclosed. You get this great case here that you can then leave the knife in the case and put it in your backpack or your pocket. You get a cleaning cloth, but most importantly, let's look at the knife itself. The best feature on this pocket knife or folding knife is it has a locked blade, and this is the way it actuates here. There's a button on the side where my finger is, and it will then allow it to be closed. Easy to open and lock in place. The locked blade is the safest way to use a knife of this type, so always focus on the push button lock. This particular knife has a natural colored handle. It does come in various colors. The next most important feature is it has a clip for your belt if you want to carry it. Okay, now I don't use clips like this, but there's a lot of people that enjoy using this feature, and that's just fine. I prefer to put mine into a pocket or a case that I can then put it on my belt, so it doesn't pop off of my belt if I'm going through the brush or hiking or climbing or bending. It's just a personal preference, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with this wonderful clip. It can be removed if you need to, but once again, this is a very nice knife, and I think that everyone would get a lot of usage out of it. It's perfect for hunting and camping and fishing, anything outdoors. Even the construction workers will get a lot of use out of this knife if they carry it daily on the job. I highly recommend this knife from CIVIVI.